Kids table set with 1 table, 2 chairs, and dry erase top for drawing. Perfect for meals, snacks, homework, art activities, games, and creative playtime. Durable rubberwood frame and legs. Smooth white board table top can be drawn on with dry erase markers and wiped clean between uses. Easy assembly with all components and hardware included. Top reviews from the United States. Great table for granddaughter. Easy to assemble with great instructions. Durable and our granddaughter loves it. Takes up a little room in our living room, but keeps our granddaughter's stuff assembled in one area. We love it because it keeps our living room coordinated. Great piece of furniture for her. She eats on it, draws on it.